Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's crucial for anyone dealing with equity compensation: how to report restricted stock units, or RSUs, on your tax return for 2025. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for making complex financial stuff simple and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First off, what's an RSU? It's a form of compensation where your company promises to give you shares of stock once certain conditions are met, like completing a vesting period. The key thing to remember is that RSUs are taxed when they vest. That's when you actually receive the shares and they count as ordinary income. For 2025, the process starts with your W-2 form. Your employer will include the value of the vested RSUs as wages, so that amount is already part of your taxable income on Form 1040. But here's where it gets a bit more involved. If you sell those shares, any profit could be subject to capital gains tax. You'll need to report that on Schedule D of your tax return. Let me break it down step by step. Step 1. Gather all your documents, including your W-2, any 1099-B forms for stock sales, and your vesting schedule from your company. Step 2. When filling out Form 1040, the vested RSU income is typically already accounted for in your wages line. Step 3. If you sold RSU shares, calculate your cost basis, usually the fair market value at vesting, and report the gain or loss on Schedule D. Don't forget to consider holding periods. Shares held over a year might qualify for long-term capital gains rates, which are often lower. One common pitfall is overlooking state taxes or miscategorizing your RSUs, so double-check everything. For 2025, while tax laws could change, the basics remain similar, but it's smart to stay updated via IRS guidelines or a tax pro. In summary, reporting RSUs involves understanding vesting, checking your W-2, and handling any sales properly. If your situation is complex, always consult a tax professional. They're worth every penny. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. See you in the next video.